Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video here and I do apologize, but 2020 was challenging for everyone. Let's make up for it by kicking off 2021 with a double Cartier unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I bought, please stick around. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's get started. My first purchase I made online because I knew exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted something from the Love line, and I knew I wanted it in yellow gold. But I also knew that I did not want the full bracelet. I wanted the cuff instead. And I must say, I am extremely satisfied with this purchase. I love the cuff. I love how easy you can put it on and take it off. It's a no-brainer for me. I want to be able to put my jewelry on when I want to have it on and take it off before I go to bed, before I do the dishes, before I go to work, whatever the case may be. I need to have flexibility. My lifestyle cannot accommodate something that I can't take off my wrist. Let me show you how easy this baby goes on. It's that easy. Some people don't like the look of this open piece right here, but I love it. I think it looks really masculine and understated, and it is kind of squeezed and not as circular as the complete bracelet is, and that gives it a very low profile and a very subtle look, which I love. You don't have to worry about carrying a screwdriver with you or what you're going to do in case you lost your screwdriver. It's super duper easy. No hinge, no screws, no fear of it falling off, and you can take it on and off as much as you want throughout the day. I went into my first purchase knowing exactly what I wanted, and I also knew I wanted to have a stack of at least 2 pieces. So I knew what my starter piece was, but I wasn't quite sure about my second piece. So I decided to go into the store and do the purchase in store. The only thing is, you can't just walk in and buy a piece. You have to make an appointment. Online, that service is not functional. So I went in one day during lunch break. I made the appointment and I came in the next day. And this is what I ended up picking up. It is the Just Un Clou, also in yellow gold, in the full size. And I absolutely love it. It's not what I expected to buy. I went in thinking I was just going to pick up another love cuff in another color to create some visual interest in my stack. But when I saw the Just Un Clou, I could not resist. Let me tell you what happened. My thought process was, if you want to create an attractive looking stack, you either have to have 2 different styles in the same color or the same style in different colors. So the traditional way to do it was to purchase another love cuff in a different color, either white or pink. And me being a pink gold lover, I went in thinking I was going to purchase another cuff in the pink gold. But the thing is, Cartier pink gold is extremely subtle and soft, and the difference between the yellow and pink next to each other is almost indistinguishable. The only way to create that contrast is to layer with another piece in the middle with white gold, which means that your stack has to be 3 pieces. That's not something that I was down for. I wanted a 2-piece stack that made a statement and that I could wear every day and not have to have 3 pieces on my arm all the time. So I looked at the Just Un Clou per the recommendation of the SA. And once I put it on, I was hooked. There's a little button here beneath the nail head that you push on, and that's how it opens. There's a hinge here at the bottom that is almost seamless and unnoticeable once you have it on your arm. I tried on the small size and the regular size. The small size is also extremely beautiful, and it is enough to make a statement on your arm, especially if you pick the small size with the diamonds. But for me, I knew that I wanted the larger size just because it looked better on my overall body frame and on my fuller wrists. There's several reasons why I recommend that you make your purchase in store as opposed to online. First off is all the goodies that you miss out when you purchase online. If you purchase online, you don't get the cleaning kit. The only way to get that is if you purchase in store. And you don't get any of the samples for the perfumes that they carry. Because I love oud, I collected all of the samples for all of the oud perfumes, and also got a few of their Panther samples as well. You can't get any of these things if you purchase online. Another important item that you can't purchase online, or that you don't get with your purchase online, is the travel pouch. These pouches are extremely useful. You can put your watch and your bracelets here on this little pillow, and you have dividers here on the inside for your rings and your necklace. So with one travel pouch, you can house all of your jewelry. It's extremely luxurious. It has double velvet on both sides. It's very thick, and it's just gorgeous. The only reason I have two is because my SA was nice enough to give me a second one when they found out that I purchased online and did not receive one with my love cuff. As much as I love pink gold, I do recommend that your first piece be yellow gold. Yellow gold is just timeless and classic. It goes with everything and anything you might want to wear, and it also pairs nicely with other jewelry tones, whether it be pink, white, or even silver. Yellow gold is also easy to maintain. You can buff out the scratches, and you can give it a good polish to restore its shine, and it doesn't tarnish as easily as the white gold does. Just a fun fact, another way I justified to myself the purchase of the full-size Just Un Clou was that, ironically, it is exactly the same price as a brand new classic flap in the jumbo size from the Chanel boutique. Go figure. When I thought about it that way, I said, hey, I'd rather put my money towards a piece of jewelry than towards a bag. I mean, sure, a jumbo or a classic flap is a timeless piece that will last you forever, but when it comes to that price tag, I just thought that the Just Un Clou was more worthy of that price. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Would you rather buy a Chanel jumbo classic flap, brand new from the store, or would you rather purchase the Just Un Clou? They're exactly the same price. Isn't that crazy? The last thing I want to share with you are these perfume samples. These are from the oud range. I love oud, and if you guys are like me and you love oud, you're going to love all of these perfumes. But out of all four of them, my favorite was oud and rose. Let me show you what the sample looks like. Even the sample looks beautiful and luxurious, and it smells amazing. I love oud and rose. It might just be my next purchase from Cartier, who knows? To be honest, before I left the store, I had my eye on the ring Just Un Clou, but I'm not too sure. I'm also thinking of venturing into Bulgari just because I want to get a hint of rose gold. I still need to have my rose gold fix. Let me know in the comments below if you wanted to purchase a rose gold item. Would it be from Cartier or would it be from another jewelry house? I'm interested to know what you guys think. Thank you for watching this video and taking your time to support my channel. Please stay safe. I wish everybody a happy and prosperous 2021. Bye.